This is a brand new trading system called the FOMC Trader. I developed it, I guess, a couple of FOMC meetings ago. FOMC, not minutes, but FOMC meetings ago. And so this looks at the FOMC date that I have, and it trades on that day based on a certain set of rules. And it is a 5-to-1 trading setup, meaning it has a $5,000 profit target, $1,000 stop loss. It can exit at the end of the day, so it could make a little less than 5,000 or lose a little less than 1,000 if it exits before it hits the profit target or stop loss. It takes long and short trades, and I've watched it trade only on one FOMC meeting. So far, 3.55 profit factor. The sample size is small. This goes back 5 years, but there's only 6 FOMC meetings per year, and so you're not going to get a lot of FOMC meetings. Here's the equity curve. It's done well the last 2 years. We're going to look at just the last 2 years because prior to the last 2 years, it really hasn't done a whole lot. So here it is. It has a huge profit factor just the last 2 years, 8.46. Only 16 trades. Very, very small sample size. I prefer to have a bigger sample size, but you can't increase the number of FOMC meeting minutes or FOMC meetings at these index levels. You know, it's just we're at new index levels, and we've only had 2 or 3 years of these index levels. 68.75% profitable, and you see 33,000 on the long side, and the short side is 1 for 2. Let's look at the last trade. I watched the last trade. It was on June. The last meeting was on June 14th. The next meeting is next Wednesday, and we will we don't trade on FOMC day, and so we will on we'll turn this on and send it out to subscribers. If you're a Stock Index Portfolio subscriber, I will send this out to you, and you can trade it at your discretion. It does use an end of day exit, so I need to modify that to exit at least 1 minute before the close. And so you can see it's counter trend. It got this sell off. Let's look at some other trades it's taken, and you can see this one was a losing trade. It's not completely counter trend. In this case, it went bought it when it was up. And let's look at this nice short trade there on that. Hit its profit target of 250 points. And let's look at some more trades. There is an FOMC trade right there. There's another one. Nice counter trend trade. Nice entry. And so this may or may not work. It may fail going forward. Again, this is a brand new strategy. It has not been traded live. There's no live record. These are hypothetical results. And we may trade it next Wednesday. I'll send it out to subscribers. You can trade it at your own discretion, and it's risking 1,000 to make 5,000. And so, looking forward to seeing how the FOMC meeting turns out next week. Should be interesting with the additional rate hike coming in, and if the market will rally based on that, depending on where it is. But this is the FOMC Trader, and I wanted to introduce this to you on Friday. As we look forward to next Wednesday, July the 26th, for the FOMC meeting. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.